Have you ever considered making money online, but were concerned about the amount of time and effort it would take? Perhaps it is hard for you to find a job, and you spend a lot of time at home. Whatever your situation is right now, there's always a way to earn some bucks and stack up your income. Fortunately for you and to everyone out there watching, it is possible to earn money just by using the internet. That is why today, we are going to introduce you to a website that will help you make some money. We are going to talk about a website where you can earn up to $6,000 by just doing simple tasks, all for free. Welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything about money. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. To start, you need to go to Google and type the keyword Squishy Cash. Through that, you will find squishycash.com, a website that will help you make money online. Now, what we like about this website is the fact that you can start making money with it anywhere in the world for free. Once you decide to sign up, you will be required to fill up your information, like your email address and your password. Once you have filled up all the necessary details, you can read the terms and privacy and click on the Sign Up Now tab. Please note that only one account per person is allowed. Make sure that you do not sign up for multiple accounts, or you will be banned. When you sign up with this website, you are going to be able to get a sign-up bonus amounting to $3. If it is your first time with this website, then I am pretty sure you're not going to miss out on that. After all, who does not want to earn money just by signing up? We, for sure, will not miss out on that. This site is so awesome that some of its users made $40 to $50 in just a couple of hours. Squishycash.com has a lot of amazing stuff you can join to help you accumulate more money. They have new offers you can choose from every day, so there's always something for everyone. It is just so amazing that you can make up to $100 or more by just logging in without investing a single penny. Now you might be asking, is this site even legit? Well, look no further, because if you go to the website, you will be able to see a lot of reviews and testimonies from people who earned money using the site. Well, you're probably really curious now, so we won't keep you waiting and finally reveal how it works. When you use squishycash.com, all you have to do is do some simple tasks. These might include watching videos, taking surveys, or doing free trials. In fact, there are 8 different ways to earn money from this site. First, you can do free offers where you can earn various amounts of money. As mentioned before, you can also do surveys. Third, you can earn by just simply clicking. Now, we know this might sound ridiculous, but it is true. You can earn money from Squishy Cash just by clicking. There are also offer walls that you can do on this site, which is the 4th way to make money. When we say offer walls, this means that you need to watch videos and finish them to earn various amounts of money. The 5th way to make income is by doing free trials, where you have to download an application and try it first. For the 6th way to earn, you can shop and earn cash back from it. They also have contests that you can participate in and make extra bucks. Or perhaps you can refer it to your friends as well. And with this referral program, you will earn passive income. If you want to know more about this, we advise that you stick around and we'll tell you more about it. After trying all of these, you are going to start accumulating more money. And once you make enough, you might want to cash it out. With Squishy Cash, there are different ways to get your payment, but in general, they will send your money directly to you. You can choose payment options from PayPal, Amazon, Skrill, and Check. And since you have already reached this point in the video, we would like to give you an extra tip. If you're on the website already, you are going to notice something in the right-hand corner of the website. Through this, you will get more offers that can help you earn free money. surveys, and other promotions allow you to earn extra chips and even more bucks by completing the tasks. Now keep in mind that this refreshes daily, so you have to check the website daily to know more offers that will bring more money into your wallet. Once you have completed the daily offers, you will earn more money and chips. There's no limit to this, so you can do as much as you want and make your income stack up very quickly. This site can be accessed by both Android and iPhone users, but the Android users have an edge because there are more offers that they can access. It might not seem fair, but it is what it is. Life isn't fair, folks. Another secret this website has is that if you finish 10 surveys or tasks, you will be able to unlock more opportunities with higher earnings. For instance, you are able to complete 10 surveys. Because of that, you can unlock some extra free trial jobs. That might pay you up to 200 to 300 chips. And if you reach this part of the video, you are in luck because now we're going to talk about the referral system, which will help you earn more money. This referral system of Squeaky Cash has 5 tiers. On the first level, you can earn 25%, which means you will earn 25% commission of whatever your friends or referrals are earning. At the second level, you can earn an extra 5%. You will be offered 2% for the third one, and for the fourth and fifth levels, just 1%. Through this, you will be able to build passive income easily. You can also earn $1 per active first level referral, which means that whenever people sign up for a free account, you can earn $1. So you see, earning money has never been so easy. With Squeaky Cash, you can make income in the comforts of your home just by using a phone or laptop and a stable internet connection. While doing small tasks will not make you rich, it is a simple method to bring in some extra cash when you don't want to have a full-time job. Since you're already online, you might as well put that time to good use by working on your side hustle rather than wasting it on social media. So what are you waiting for? Check out Squeaky Cash now and start earning those bucks. Comment down below so we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, head to our channel to see more from MoneyTalk. See you!